Hey YouTube, Scott Off-Road. How you doing today? Well, we're in the garage doing a DIY project. Over the last year, I've done a couple headliner install videos on the hothead headliner for the JK and the JT. I really liked them. I really want one. I don't want to buy it. So I did my own headliner for the Mission to Haiti Jeep. Was really happy with that. So I decided it was time to build my own for the TJ. Follow along. I think I did a pretty good job. Price came out only about $75. And when you compare that to the hothead headliner for the TJ at $275, I think that's time well spent in the garage. Remember, you fix the Jeep fixes you. Have a blessed day. Like, subscribe, follow. Follow along to the end of the video. I will have a price list of where or what everything costs. So, see you at the end. Should, by rights, make another one just trace this one, and it should fit perfectly right there.
Yes, it should.
Should.
It will.
Should.
It will. It will.
All right, we're halfway done. First half went pretty easy, as you can tell. Just poster board, measure it out, cut it, glue the carpet down to it, and then double side tape it to the hardtop. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. The back.
All right, so we are 3/4, 24 and 3/4 on the outside, but we're closer to 25 and 5/8 or a half inch.
There enough.
So, or 24 and half, 24 and a half inches. You want to drop that down to 24 and 3/8 and just make it 3/8 all the way across. 24 3/8 all the way across.
we got the headliners done, got them in. We're getting ready to flip the top over, put it back on the Jeep, and the wife comes out and goes, "Hey, it's summer. Aren't you going to put the soft top on?" Yes, dear, we'll put the soft top on. So we put the soft top on the Jeep. That took about an hour and a half, and that was because I haven't had it on since I painted the Jeep, and I had to readjust where the rock hard roll cage sits in there, and so everything will bolt up and clip up. So after spending that afternoon building the headliner, and I planned on putting it on to see how much quieter it is, and how much more enjoyable it is than putting all my patches on it, because you do a headliner, a Jeep, for noise control, temperature control, and an awesome place to put your overlanding patches. I'm gonna have to wait till fall and then put the top on. Maybe Moab, probably fall. But hope you liked it. As always, like, subscribe, follow. Have a blessed day.